Welcome back to another vlog, guys. What's going on? So I haven't vlogged here lately. I'm sorry, my fault. I've just been focusing on getting stuff done. Still trying to get ready for a move. But I did get my product that I've been waiting for about 2 months, and it doesn't fit because apparently I didn't pay attention. It's for a 2009 to 2012 Z, and sadly it doesn't fit on my 2014. So I'm trying to work on exchanging the product or returning it. Hopefully it all works out. This is what I got. She got this front lip, and it is polyester. So I really like it, but sadly again it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna do something different. It is pretty cold today, and finally no more hot heat being in the triple digits for like 102, 101, but been really hot. Sorry about the cap. I don't want to take this off right now, but you know what? Might as well just get ready to do that anyways. But yeah, so alright, so I just got a package in. I gotta go take it up to Vanessa and come back home, but I haven't driven the Z in 2 days. Well, just about 2 days, I'm gonna say. This will be day number 2, but I actually took it out, let it all warm up, and get back on the road. So for the update, I am loving the clutch. Again, it is worth buying the Z1 clutch, unsprung. Take it off, unsprung, and it really holds very well. Like, there's no, I don't know how to explain it, but I mean, there's no jerkiness, there's none of that. Catches on very well. You can feel the torque. You can feel how good it is. Also, you can feel the reaction time. It's a little bit better than the OEM. And overall, I'll give it 5 stars. When that time comes, when I have to get another clutch, I will do the same clutch. I love it. Not wrong with it. So yeah. But my next thing will be not like very next thing, but I will have to drop my transmission again because I'm thinking about going with the CSC. I don't know if I should really, but then again, I hear a lot of people saying it's worth it. But yeah. All right, let's get going. All right, so I just got done cleaning my car, as you can see. Looking a lot better. So I'll go ahead and show y'all the thing I was, that I was saying. That finally came off. I'm gonna remove it. For now, I'm gonna just leave it there. But it sucks that it came off. But I'm probably do like a toe strap or a little bit something different. I'm not gonna do the same thing as I did before. Those lights are looking good. Car looking clean. That's what I'm talking about. Eventually, I'm going to do some wheel setup. So get some spaces for now for this front one because it's pretty tucked in. Kind of make it look flush a little bit. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? So actually they did the back. So today is another day. I did went ahead and order some spacers. This time I did get ordered from the same place I ordered my last one, which is from Tight Wheel. Still strongly recommend that place. The spacers I wanted to order from Tight Wheel, they were out of stock, so I went ahead and got these. Still have the centric hub. Only recommend these. I would not recommend the ones that doesn't have the centric hub. It's just, I haven't had any problems with the ones with it, and I strongly recommend it. So I'm going to actually be putting these on my front and kind of get them, put them on my front and kind of get them flushed out a little bit better. As you can see, excuse the holes on my bumper, but it still sit inward versus my rear. Rear looks about better, so I'm going to try to get this looking really good. I hope this thickness kind of brings it out just a bit. I don't need to bring it out all the way, but it's a good start. Alright, it's starting to get a little hot. But for the most part, from what I got done, I got this one side done. I was a little scared at first. I was like, oh my goodness, I think it's going to hit my fender. So, here's the result. Again, excuse the whole bumper, but it came out quite a bit. Not completely flush, but it's where it needs to be right down at the moment. I mean, unlike this side where it sits completely in. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So here it is right here. Fits in just like that. I'm gonna show you the other side again. Not like that. A little bit better. I think it's perfect right here. So I could go a little bit more, but I'm gonna leave it as that. Alright, so you're looking really good already. I'm loving it. Loving it. Okay, so those spacers are on. Eventually I'm going to get the good sized wheels that's actually going to be wide, a little bit wide enough where I don't need spacers. I'm actually going to get rid of them. But that'll be another time. But for now, you know, you do what you can. You continue to make your ride look better, especially if you're driving every day. You get those headlights cleaned again, all that oxidation. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. And again, thanks for watching. Peace.